Hello and welcome to the Culture of Healthcare. My name is Kisa and I'm going to be your facilitator throughout this course. The focus of this course is an introduction to the culture of healthcare for students interested in working in various healthcare settings. You will examine professionalism, interpersonal and written communication skills, problem-solving skills, and patient privacy and confidentiality issues as they relate to healthcare. Please review the course syllabus, which can be found in the course information module. In order to access the course information module, click on the modules located on the left-hand side of the Canvas page. You will need to complete a 10-question syllabus quiz prior to learning or beginning any other assignment or module. The course is broken into 7 different modules. Each module will have an overview for that particular module. Please review this prior to beginning the module so that you have proper instruction of how to complete certain information. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me at any time. The best way to reach me is either the message inbox on the left-hand side of Canvas. You could call my cell phone or also email me. Thank you, and I look forward to the semester.